Welcome back, Rising Affiliate Marketers. Your host, Sam Chidebere, still on the driver's seat. If you have just joined us, my cap is raised for you, but you're already 3 videos behind in this series. I advise that you pause this video here, go back to this channel and watch the 3 videos on step-by-step guide to brainstorming affiliate marketing ideas in 2024. I'll leave their links in the description box below. If you have done that, then let's go. But before that, do me a favor, will you? Hit that subscribe button below so that you will join my community of smart affiliates who are already rocking the world of affiliate marketing. Like and share this video with your friends who may benefit from what you are about to enjoy. You are in for a good treat because today we are focusing on how to create an action plan for all the ideas you have generated through the previous 3 videos. Okay, you have identified your winning affiliate marketing ideas, and now it's time to turn them into action. I'll guide you through creating an action plan, setting a timeline, allocating resources, and budgeting, the essentials for success. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your goals and objectives. Clearly outline what you aim to achieve with each affiliate marketing idea. Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Be specific about your goals. Step 2. Break down tasks. Identify the tasks required to execute each idea. Create a detailed list, starting from the first step to the final implementation. Step 3. Set a timeline. Now let's set a timeline. Break your tasks into time-bound milestones. Assign realistic deadlines to each task, considering your capacity and resources. Step 4. Allocate resources. Determine what resources you will need for each idea. This includes human resources, like your time and any team members, financial resources, that's budget, and any tools or technology. Step 5. Budgeting. Allocate a budget to each idea. Consider costs such as advertising spend, content creation expenses, and any other necessary investments. Ensure your budget aligns with your financial capacity. Step 6. Prioritize. Prioritize your ideas based on available resources, budget, and timeline. Start with the idea that is most feasible and aligned with your immediate goals. Step 7. Create a project timeline. Organize your milestones and deadlines into a project timeline. You can use project management tools like Trello, Asana, or even a simple Excel spreadsheet. Step 8. Delegate tasks. If you have a team or collaborators, delegate tasks and responsibilities. Clearly define who will be responsible for each task and their deadlines. Step 9. Monitor progress. Regularly review your project timeline and monitor progress. If you encounter any delays or roadblocks, adjust your timeline and resources accordingly. Step 10. Adjust and optimize. As you execute your action plan, be open to adjustments. Sometimes you may need to pivot or optimize your strategy based on real-time data and results. By following these steps, you will have a well-structured action plan with a clear timeline, allocated resources, and a budget. This ensures that your affiliate marketing ideas are implemented efficiently and effectively, bringing you closer to your mission of converting your audience into buyers. Happy planning. We will be drawing the curtains here today. I will advise that you go through the videos, that is 1 to 4 in the series, once again, to enable you dust off any gray areas you may have so far. Then get ready for the final phase of the series, which is testing out how these ideas of yours will work in real life. Until then, keep strategizing, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification of future great videos. Thank you.